Hello students, welcome back. In this video, we will continue further our exercise 4.3. Okay, so let us see the first question of it. Name the angles in the given figure. Children, here you can see the figure given here. Okay, it is a quadrilateral ABCD and you are asked here to give the name of the angles. Now let us start first with A. ABC, that is the first angle. This, right? Again you start B, you go in a line, you go in a sequence starting from A, B, C, again angle B, C, D, again that is second one here, go again C, D, A, third angle, and again that is D, A, B, that is the fourth angle. If you move in the sequence starting from A to D, it is easy for you to get all the answers properly. Okay, so follow the proper sequence. Second question, in the given diagram, name the points. We have to name the points from the given diagram. Children, you can see a diagram is here. What is there? In the interior of angle DOE. Children, interior, what is interior? The arms you can see, all the area between the two arms is its interior of that particular angle. Which is that? DOE. Where is DOE? DOE means this portion only we have to cover. So which point here you can see in the interior? You can see here A, that is an interior of DOE. So what is our answer? Point A, right? What is second question? What is there in the exterior? That is means which point is in the exterior of angle EOF? First, let us find where is EOF. EOF, this is interior, but we are asked exterior, means go outside it, right? So what is there in the outside? You can see here point C. What is there? Point C here. One more you have. So if this is interior, this can also be called as exterior of it, right? So also we can include point A and also I can include point D. That is an exterior of angle EOF. So point C, point A and point D, all three are in the exterior of angle EOF. Right. Now let us move what is there on angle EOF. Which points are there on EOF angle? Where is EOF? You can see this area, right? This is the on, that is on means on the angle itself. Point E, point B, point O and point F. 4 points are there on angle EOF. On means children, it should be on the right on the angle itself, not in the interior nor in the exterior. Next children, draw rough diagram of two angles such that, children, two angles compulsory I have to take such that they have one point in common. Two angles having one point in common you have to draw here. Now you can see I have drawn here two angles, that is angle 1 you can see DOC and you can see here the second angle I have taken AOB, so which now they have a common point, that is O. So O is the common point between angle COD and angle AOB. So you have to draw two angles which meet each other at a common point, that is O. Second, 2 points in common. Now we have to draw two angles such that they have 2 points in common. You can see here, this is, suppose I take this as angle 1 and angle 2. You can see this angle BOC and BOA has 2 points in common. Which are those two common points? Point B and point O. You can see both of them share the common point B and O. So you have to draw the diagram according to the given condition, right? So you can see O and B are the common points between angle AOB and angle BOC. That is the second question. Now what about third? Now two angles such that 3 points are in common. Now you can see here I have taken angle 1 here and angle 2. Two angles where you can see 3 points in common. Which are the three? Point B, point E and point O. You can see here point O, E and B are the common points between angle AOB and angle BOC. Next children, 4 points in common. Now two angles such that they have 4 points in common. That is, you can see here two angles, angle 1 here and angle 2 here. Angle AOC and angle AOB are the two angles here which have the 4 common points, point A, point D, point E and point O. Right, so you can see here O, E, D and A are the common points between angle BOA and angle COA. Right. So let us go for the next question. One ray in common. Now two angles such that they have one ray in common. Now let us draw. You can see here angle AOC and COB. These are the two angles which have the common ray, that is OC is the common ray between them. So this is a common part, that is OC is a common ray between angle BOC and angle AOC. So they share this part, right? This ray is common between both the angles. So this is the way, children, we need to satisfy the given condition. With this we end our exercise. Hope you all understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.